Okay, so what you should have from the first file that we did, which is your last name, love this, mine's 2 because I'm going to work on changing this one, was the basic tags we did first. We did this, which clarifies the document type in Notepad. We have our opening HTML tag. We have our closing HTML tag. We have then we had the head tag. Within the head tag, we put the title tag. I told you to put your last name, love this, as the title. And then we had a closing head tag. Within that, we worked on using style rules, CSS cascading style sheets, let you clarify what kind of style. So we have an opening style tag, closing style tag. Within that, those style rules, one of the rules we made is this is the declaration, this is the tag that we are going to style. Then you have the space and opening, I call squiggly bracket, which is shift. It's up above your right enter key. So the left one. Then you have a color. You type in color, colon, space, and then what color. You can do it as a hex color code, and then a semicolon. And then the closing squiggly, which is the one next to your right enter key. You have to shift. And then we close the style tag. This is all within your head, opening head tag, closing head tag. Okay. Then we have the body. I centered this so far. Okay, then I had the H1 tag. This was a symbol that we found. If you Google HTML symbol codes, this will put a heart there. You just put it right before whatever you want it to be before. And then we had another one. I had the text, Mrs. Penner loves, ... and then closing head tag. Places that I love. I'm going to put this up here. That's for a horizontal rule. Then I had everybody type in these titles. Places that I love. I did a paragraph tag. And then I did some breaks in between those. You want to put 3 sentences about different places that you love. And then I did a closing paragraph tag. Then I did songs that I love, do a break, people and animals. You could put just people or just animals. You're going to have 3, so just think about that. Websites that I love, break, hobbies, break, goals that I love, break, quote. So you just type this in as is for right now. Then we close our body and close our HTML. Now if you look at what this website looks like right now, it looks like this. Okay, this is the H tag. The reason that the H tag is red is because of this style rule up here. Heading 1 makes the text larger, right? Different heading styles H1 through H6. And then because we used H1 down here, that made this all red. And then I closed it. Okay. Then we had the command that put these. Right now I have a horizontal rule. I haven't done anything with it yet as far as styling. This is my text so far. And then I just have these categories. Okay. So this is where you should be at so far. I had people put in a body background color. Just be careful of what color you use with red, red text. I'm going to look for probably a light pink. This is kind of in there. I'm going to copy this. And so Let's do, I had them do a body background color, so BG color equal, I'm going to put that hex code in there, save, and then refresh, and see if you don't have a, oh, this is my one, that was 2, hold on. I'm going to save that and refresh now. Let's see if that works. Let's see what I've got going on here. Oh, this is just 2. No, I'm looking at a different file than I was working on. So that's what we have so far. Okay. Then we're going to go on to number 2.